What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to find and use amazing frames on Canva to create stunning and star ratings layouts. Okay, so let's learn how to do this. First thing, go to your Canva, review the left sidebar of menus, click on Elements and go to Frames. Once on Frame, click right here into the Frames and type Abstract Frame Cutout. Let's find something nice, for example this one. Click into these three little dots and click on View Collection, and here are amazing frames for your usage, okay? For example, let me try out this one right here. Apply the frame on your page, just like this. Now you can go to Photos, into the left sidebar of menus, and create layouts just like this. Nice, right? Or maybe just like this. Interesting, right? And here is the secret. Elements, type Abstract Frame Cutout, find some frame that you like, maybe this one, just like this. Let me adjust the size, and you're gonna be able to place your image just like here, or create a full new layout. Nice, right? And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.